last night in Disney and we're watching some fireworks. What you laughing at me over?
Did you get the bike rental sign?
No, I didn't. I don't get the bike rental sign. I'm getting the fireworks, man.
Actually videotapes everything. Pretty. Wow.
This is making fun of me.
What?
They use gunpowder.
Not pretty? Feliciana, are you pretty? Yeah, I thought. I'm not. Look at. Hey, Mom, are you getting the trees good? Hey, Jor. What?
Trying to film the fireworks.
Yes.
I don't know. I'll just say it. Yeah,
They're playing Cinderella outside.
What are you doing? Oh.
You missed it, Jora.
Do they have a time on your motor coach thing for the morning? Because ours just has stars.
No, I think I followed all my
call.
notes.
It says 8:55.
That's it. We didn't have any times on ours.
Why? Although it's supposed to be 3 hours before our
Are
flight.
you watching, Jora?
Yeah, I'm watching. Oh. And they have our flight wrong, but I just didn't call about it because it's only a 15-minute difference because our flight was changed.
Okay.
We're leaving at 12:10 now
Oh, okay.
instead of 11:55, and so whatever.
No road difference.
So it's, yeah.
Dad's not answering the phone, so I can't get the phone number of the woman company.
Okay.
Neither phone.
Mom, all right. So then they told us we had to be there. They also called the room and left a message. Did they do that for you guys? There's a message on the phone on the room.
Yeah, there is a message.
So, listen.
No.
Woo! Look at that one! They said we have to be there at the resort check-in at the custom house a half an hour before the magic bus comes, which is 8:25. I also paid for our luggage.
Which was where?
We'd be on the internal shuttle, and I guess it takes us to the where they dropped us off originally, which is called the custom house.
Gotcha.
So we can get our checked luggage taken care of and our boarding.
Jora, are you
pass there.
watching? Jora, are you watching?
Maybe she's not interested.
Is it gonna be red, white, and blue soon? Wow, pretty! Pretty! What's that? Do you like it? Is it pretty? That's pretty. Here it comes, look. Whoa, I could see that one came from lots of directions. I saw blue too.
No, purple.
Oh, it's
Purple. I saw purple.
supposed to. Whoa. Oh, it's okay. Jor, which ones are your favorite? I like this. I like the big ones that spread out. Whoa. Ooh, multicolored. Whoa. Can you see? Woo, pretty.
As in big? Do you mean the ones that go up high as in big?
Yeah, the ones that go up and then they spread out like they're blooming. I like that.
And then they make the noise.
Oh yeah. Now what?
The pretty white lights.
Holy hell! Okay, more pretty. Woo! It's like a star.
They're kind of like a shooting star.
That's what I said, Jor. That, Jordan. Whoa! Yeah.
The boos. They're the boos.
Do you see the blue smoke? Pretty. Green and blue.
Yeah, blue. Oh, wow. I haven't seen that.
Yeah. You didn't teleport.
She's about to fall.
Oh no! Your mother got in the crosshairs. Uh oh, you're right there.
I can't see because I
right,
forgot
hold on,
my
Joe.
glasses in blue. Here, write down the number. I can't see. I'm afraid I'm
What's going on,
I
Feliciana?
don't have glasses in my
Confirmation number?
No. The firework all done? Pretty's all done? All right. That was it.
No more.
No more. All done. Yep. Caribbean Beach Resort. Walt Disney World.